this is Hina from Dynamic Academy with another celebration. As I promised, I'll be appearing every time we have a good news. And today we have Nina Jessa with us, and one of our achievers who has scored UK score. Okay, Nina, introduce yourself to the audience.
Uh, Hi, good afternoon. My name is Nina Jessa Agkongay. I'm from the Philippines, and I took my exam last August 16, and I just passed my OET recently, and I'm here to share you about my experience about dynamic health stuff from the beginning of my journey. When I want to review for OET, I don't have anyone to help me by that time, and that time I started searching through a Facebook page, and there I saw this page of dynamic health stuff, and I just got curious and sent message, and Ma'am Hina was there. She was the one who answered my queries and about my concerns about OET. And from that time, I enrolled to them, and they were very supportive, and they gave me the materials that I needed. And from then, I was having the confidence that I can go and push through with this OET. And luckily, I'm here now, thanking them, and I owe this success to them. So I'm giving back to them this testimony to help for them to able to help more students like me who is willing to go in the UK and make their dreams possible.
So
Thank
the
you.
special thing I would like to mention about Nina, and this is something what I know from the back end. Nina is first Philippine nurse who has cracked with Dynamic, and she has scored UK score. Of course, I would repeat, because most of the candidates feel that scoring UK score is very difficult. So Nina, how are you feeling now after having such a huge success?
Actually, I cannot explain how I feel when I've opened my OET account, and there I saw my results. Oh my God, this is it, because I've been longing for this score, and I know it's very difficult for anyone who is aspiring to get these results. It's actually when you are working and reviewing at the same time, and you just want your dream to come to make it possible, and only God is there to help you. And of course, Dynamic Health Staff Academy was there also to guide me that time. I was very happy, and I even cried because of I was overwhelmed, and I didn't expect actually, but I just thank God that I got the score I needed to go to UK or in any place like Ireland, and very thankful. I'm so very happy and very thankful to you guys and to God.
Thank you so much, Nina. And Nina, I actually, appreciate the real feelings that you've shared with us. And most of the people who cleared the UK score has this, tears in their eyes. It's not because, that it was so difficult, but it was the biggest dream that has come true. And it requires a lot of efforts at the back end, duties, then studying along with it. It's very fun.
Yeah.
It's very difficult. I must say that you guys are doing a great job and being an inspiration for others also. Then
Yes.
that means you're leading a pack of winners who are going to come down the row.
Yeah.
And
Because
Nina, you just fixed it.
yeah, because for me, I was working. My job is from 10 to 7 p.m. I usually woke up in the morning 5 a.m. in the morning to 9 a.m. in the morning just to have time to review, because after work you will be exhausted. You will not be having time anymore to read your notes. That's why I sacrifice my time really to have at least 3 hours maximum of reviewing just to ace this OET exam. And yeah, it's not just a matter of time, it's also important that someone is with you to guide you and to assist you, like you guys were doing with me during that time. And that's very important also.
So I'm very mean in this part, Nina. You owe us a party, and you cannot eat all the pizza and cakes alone, okay? So this is so I'm just declaring this here so that you cannot deny this, okay? Anytime later on social media, this is already going to be live.
Yes.
So you cannot escape this. Okay. So Nina, would you like to share your individual scores and overall scores so that everybody can know that what your score is?
Yeah, actually, my hearing before when I first took it, it was very low. It was 290, 290. 200, I mean, I think 200. And the rest were 300. So nothing of them was passed. That's why I was very sad the first time I took it. But I told myself, many like me, students like me took 4 and 5 times they were telling, and still they did not pass it. So I told myself, maybe I need to be hardworking more. So that time I started to waking up early, and my score after my second exam was my writing reaches 300, which is exactly because C plus, it's okay to get C plus in writing. And my listening was 370, which the first time I take it's 200 plus only. And my reading and speaking is 350. So they were just above the limit, so I can pass everything. Only my listening is a little high.
That was really great score, Nina. And believe me, it is of course not easy, but also not that difficult, When somebody has the passion within, when somebody knows the
Yeah,
goal
that's
is
right.
there. And as
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nina, you just shared that you used to wake up early and especially devote much time to your self study, also, then referring to books, and then dedicated self to lectures, your queries you cleared on time. So it takes, a real courage to fight back strongest. So anybody who
Yes.
has yet not cleared and who is listening to this video, do not settle for less, because you're not born to quit. You are born to win
Yes.
this, and that is why you've got this idea that you are going to prepare for OET. And most of the people do this mistake, Nina. They quit
Yes, yes.
after one attempt.
About my writing, because I'm not good in composing letters, but when I'm working, when I have free time, I used to think and compose letter in my mind, which I'm seeing in my surroundings. Like when there are instances, my patient's case is like this. I'm composing in my mind what should I write in the letter if this instance will be the situation given in my exam. That's the only thing I'm doing. I'm not writing actually. I'm only composing in my brain, and that's it. It helps a lot. You have to compose a letter in one situation you are seeing. For instance, there are like that. I just did it like that. I did not write it in my own hands and only in my mind. That's all.
Even one of our more achievers shared this fact that whatever he was learning, he was not writing everything, but rather he was trying
Yeah.
to mince everything in his mind rather. And he was trying to
Yeah.
live what he was learning. And that's a real fact that you've again repeated self. Probably this will be really adopted by a lot of people who are watching this as a learning. But whatever you guys learn since schooling, you guys are using it in your life, in your nursing background. Whatever you've learned, you're
Yeah. Yeah.
using it
Yeah.
in life, so you remember it more. So start
Yeah.
living the
Yeah.
learnings, which is foremost important. And Nina now scored UK score with this particular tactic, and she has shared her secret recipe also.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. It's important that you really experience it, so you know what you are going to write. Even if the situation is not there, you don't need to just to copy everything that is there, but at least you have the idea what is gonna happening, so you can write it automatically like normally you are writing with your own experience. It's
that's
just come
true.
faster into your mind. Yeah.
So Nina, since you just mentioned that you had, long hours duty, then but it was your dream that you wanted to go to UK and you wanted to score good in OET. So what kept you motivated all throughout the preparations? Because sometimes, this graph goes up, low for people, and they are, at the end of the day, they are not having that strong dedication towards self and their dreams, and they end up quitting. So we want to know that what kept you motivated so that others can also get inspired through this.
For me, I was motivated because for me, nursing is like a passion for me. It's not just a job for me. I love what I do. That's why that passion makes me like driving me forward to be more hardworking, so that I can reach my dream. So when you are a nurse, when you really love what you are doing, you have to give your best so that you can help more. Because for me, I really like helping people. because I have seen my grandfather suffer from cancer and everything, and I've seen him struggle, and I want to share that that skill, that talent I have, and for that my passion is the one pushing me forward to you have to go and crack this OET so you can go to UK and have a good more life and experience about nursing. That's what pushing me through to crack the OET.
Huge respect, Nina, for standing out, and definitely your success will inspire a lot of Filipino success nurses also, because they are actually, having a lot of insecurities in mind that would they be able to do it because their duty hours are so hectic, and then the insecurity that OET is difficult. Most of the people have this myth before even preparing for it. They have this myth, and they end up quitting their dreams. So probably you are going to inspire a lot of souls after this, and they'll be definitely following your path. And the way you are serving the nation, in fact, and the passion you have for nursing is completely incredible. Definitely, Nina, you have made a distinction and difference in the world, like by being existing into the world.
Thank you so much. It's just perseverance and don't lose hope. That's all I can say to my co-students of OET who likes to pass also. Just don't lose hope. Keep pushing and keep praying.
That's great. Nina, a lot of people who are preparing with us, more than 10,000 candidates with Dynamic Academy till date are here, and we are now most recommended academy. We have 90% admissions right from the recommendation. One friend connecting with other, telling them, yes, Dynamic is the destination, where if you want to clear the OET or IELTS, you have to land to Dynamic and it's all done. So that kind of confidence and trust we could attain with you guys, showing that trust and confidence in us. So Nina, there is something, every achiever has as a secret. So would you like to share some recommendation to the upcoming candidates who are going to appear for the exam?
Yeah. I would highly recommend the Dynamic Health staff because staffs here are very, very accommodating. They were very friendly, and you can reach out anytime to them when you need help because they are very supportive. When I was enrolled in this class before, I don't really know anything about OET, but through Ma'am Blessy, who was the one who teach me and how she was my teacher, I was able to understand the process and the flow of OET, and step by step they showed me how to they explained to me the proper ways on how to, like the writing, reading, speaking, and these 4 modules, they explained it thoroughly to me, so I was able to understand what is happening in the exam when I'm gonna sit on that time that I will have my exam.
After this, Nina, I have a small exercise and a challenge for you. You need to name any 3 people in the academy who makes you fall in love with Dynamic because of them.
Of course, Ma'am Blessy and you, Ma'am Hina, because you were the one who actually motivated me to join the Dynamic Health staff. Because of you, I was able to, like, because when I was able to talk to you, you were very sweet. You were very nice to me. Like I am you're treating me special. That's why I was telling, oh, this person is very nice. Then maybe the staffs of Dynamic Health Academy was also nice. That's what gave me the the instinct that I need to join your group, you guys.
Thank
That's
you so
why.
much. It means a
Yeah.
lot, Nina, for us. And now, if I talk about Blessy, Blessy was, on personal frontals helping Nina all throughout her journey with material, with sessions, with her queries. So that was special thanks to Blessy. In fact, if you're listening to this video, you are very special to us, Blessy. You make us complete. And thank you for changing lives, because you are the one who has, made a distinction in a lot of lives. And Nina is one of them, of course. She is also having that special corner for you. Would you like
Yeah.
to share something for her?
Sure. Hi, Mom Blessy. I know that you are happy now, and I know that you are happy for me because I already talked to you before. But I'd like to say thank you for everything, for teaching me and sharing me everything that you know, so I can be able to push through with my OET and pass it. And I'd like to tell you that I owe you my scores, and hopefully you still help other students to pass, for them to be able to make their dreams come true like me. And God bless you.
We wish you all the luck, Nina. And genuinely telling you, I'm really close to you. Since the day one, you've been very close to me, asking all the queries, very transparently. There are only few people who are very expressive. And I must say, I appreciate that you're very expressive in your own feelings, in whatever you feel. You're very honest about that. And that is foremost important. Anytime you're joining some person, then be honest. Like a doctor, you have to tell every disease you have, or probably what you're feeling through. You must be transparent enough so that everybody and anybody can help. And thank you for
Yeah.
making us feel so special that when you got to know about your scores, you immediately knocked us. That was really special moment for us as well. Nina, we appreciate your efforts and hard work and success achieved. And in case now, if you're watching this and if you want to be part of the dynamic, and if you want to crack OET IELTS, definitely by a short result, then definitely you have to go to the description, contact us today, and get a chance to be featured like Nina has been featured. And Nina is always having smile on her face. She is very special to us like that. Thanks for extracting valuable time of yours and inspiring the world at stage, Nina. Now that you're leading the process for UK, I'll ensure that you get the complete best support for UK placement as well. Mr. Arun, sir, I would like to mention his name. He's going to help you all throughout for the placement support. He's incredibly good in his job. Definitely, he'll be helping you throughout for your job interview preparation. Just wanted to add a few facts to your journey now. You'll have all the support for CBT from us and also the placement support from us, completely free of cost, included in the package which you have enrolled for. So now we have a scholarship going on. I would like to little add the information about the scholarship here, that anybody who's preparing for the OET has unlimited hours of preparation. Now that in case if you're not able to clear in first attempt, our responsibility will take the charge, and we are going to help you throughout till and until you be our achiever and be featured on this board, because this is special board which we are creating. More than 1,000 people have to be on this board. We have the same mission, and if you have the mission to crack OET and IELTS, definitely you are not going to be alienated, and you have to be with us. We are waiting for your call ahead of it. And Nina, thanks for your valuable time. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for inspiring the world.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless you.